Have you ever wondered why certain traditional recipes have been passed down through generations? Today we're exploring a fascinating 7-ingredient blend that combines mint, lemon, ginger, plums, figs, dates, and apricots. While no single recipe can cure diseases, recent scientific research has revealed compelling evidence about these individual ingredients and their potential to support our body's natural processes. Your liver performs over 500 vital functions daily, from detoxification to producing essential proteins. It's remarkably resilient and has an incredible ability to regenerate when supported properly. The ingredients we're discussing today have been the subject of legitimate scientific research, and what we've discovered about their properties is genuinely fascinating. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand that we're sharing educational information about natural ingredients based on published research. This information doesn't replace medical advice, and if you have health concerns, always consult qualified healthcare professionals first. There's something deeply satisfying about the idea that simple, whole food ingredients can support our health. This isn't just wishful thinking. It reflects millions of years of human evolution, where we relied on plants for nutrition and healing. Our brains are naturally wired to recognize patterns in nature and seek solutions from our environment. Modern research in nutritional science shows that many traditional practices have solid scientific foundations. When we combine evidence-based natural approaches with contemporary healthcare, we often achieve the best outcomes. The recipe we're exploring today represents this beautiful marriage of traditional wisdom and modern scientific understanding.
Next, breaking down the science. 7 ingredients, multiple benefits. Let's examine each ingredient and what peer-reviewed research actually tells us about their properties. Remember, we're not claiming these ingredients cure diseases, but rather exploring their scientifically documented effects. Mint. Research published in the Journal of Population Therapeutics and Clinical Pharmacology has demonstrated that peppermint oil can help protect liver cells from oxidative damage. The study showed that peppermint extract significantly improved liver function markers and reduced lipid peroxidation in laboratory models. Mint contains compounds like menthol and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to possess antioxidant properties that may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Studies have also found that peppermint can support digestive health by helping with smooth muscle function in the digestive tract, which explains its traditional use for digestive comfort. Lemons. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and flavonoids like hesperidin and diosmin. Research published in scientific journals has demonstrated that citrus flavonoids can support the body's antioxidant defense systems. A study on pure total flavonoids from citrus found that they helped improve non-alcoholic fatty liver disease in laboratory models by regulating cellular signaling pathways. The citric acid in lemons may also support the body's natural processes by enhancing the bioavailability of certain nutrients and supporting healthy pH balance in the digestive system. Ginger. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogols. Research published in Mediators of Inflammation journal showed that 6-gingerol, a major component of ginger, significantly protected liver cells from damage in laboratory studies. The study found that ginger extract helped maintain normal liver enzyme levels and reduced oxidative stress markers. Multiple studies have demonstrated ginger's anti-inflammatory properties, with research showing it may help reduce inflammatory markers in the body. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that ginger essential oil helped protect against diet-induced liver damage by supporting the body's natural antioxidant systems. Plums. Plums are rich in anthocyanins, chlorogenic acids, and other phenolic compounds. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry demonstrated significant antioxidant activity in plums, with some varieties containing up to 567 milligrams of vitamin C equivalent antioxidant capacity per 100 grams. Studies have shown that plums contain various anthocyanins with cyanidin and peonidin compounds, which contribute to their deep color and antioxidant properties. Research indicates that the antioxidant capacity of plums correlates strongly with their total phenolic content, suggesting these compounds play important roles in free radical scavenging. Figs. Figs provide dietary fiber, potassium, and various antioxidants. Research published in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine has highlighted the hepatoprotective potential of fig extracts in laboratory studies. Studies using Ficus carica leaf extracts showed significant protection against chemically induced liver damage in research models. The high fiber content in figs supports digestive health, which is intimately connected to liver function through what scientists call the gut-liver axis. This connection explains why digestive health and liver function are so closely related. Dates. Dates are rich in antioxidants including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. Research published in the International Journal of Pharmacology demonstrated that date extracts showed hepatoprotective effects in laboratory models. Studies have found that dates contain compounds that help support the liver's natural antioxidant defense systems. Research has also shown that dates provide natural sugars that can support liver glycogen stores, which is important for maintaining healthy liver function and energy metabolism. Apricots. Apricots are particularly rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Research published in nutritional journals has shown that adequate vitamin A status is crucial for liver health. Apricots also contain other carotenoids and phenolic compounds that contribute to their antioxidant properties. Studies indicate that the carotenoids in apricots may help support the body's natural antioxidant defenses and contribute to overall cellular health.
Next, the preparation method. The traditional preparation method involves several scientifically sound steps that can help maximize the nutritional benefits of these 7 ingredients. This time-tested recipe combines 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves with 1 whole lemon, a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, 3 fresh plums, 4 figs, 8 dates, and 4 apricots to create a nutrient-dense blend. Next, ingredient selection and quality. Start with the freshest, highest quality ingredients possible, selecting 1 tablespoon of mint leaves that are vibrant green without wilting or dark spots. Choose 1 lemon that feels heavy for its size, indicating high juice content, and select a piece of ginger that's firm with smooth skin. Research shows that the antioxidant content of fruits can vary significantly based on ripeness and storage conditions. For the 3 plums, choose fruits that yield slightly to pressure but aren't overly soft, while your 4 figs should be plump and free from cracks. The 8 dates and 4 apricots work best when they're naturally dried, without added sulfites or preservatives, as studies have shown that organic fruits often contain higher levels of beneficial compounds and fewer chemical residues. Next, preparation steps and scientific rationale. Begin by thoroughly washing all fresh ingredients under cool running water to remove surface contaminants and potential pesticide residues. Cut the 3 plums, 4 figs, 8 dates, and 4 apricots into uniform small pieces, approximately ½ inch in size, while keeping the 1 tablespoon of mint leaves whole and juicing the 1 lemon completely. This increased surface area from cutting is crucial because research in food science shows that mechanical disruption of plant tissues can increase the release of antioxidants by up to 30% compared to whole fruits. The ginger piece should be sliced into thin rounds to maximize the surface area for optimal extraction of its bioactive gingerols and shogalls during the cooking process. Next, the cooking process, temperature, and timing. Use filtered water when possible, as chlorine and other chemicals in tap water can potentially interfere with the extraction process. Bring 1 liter of water to a rolling boil in a non-reactive pot, then add all the prepared ingredients, including the cut fruits, mint leaves, lemon juice, and sliced ginger. The initial high temperature helps break down tough plant fibers and begins the extraction of water-soluble vitamins and beneficial compounds. Once you add all 7 ingredients, reduce the heat to maintain a gentle simmer rather than a vigorous boil, as research indicates that temperatures between 85 and 95 degrees Celsius provide optimal extraction of beneficial compounds while preserving heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C. The 10-minute simmering time is based on studies showing this duration allows sufficient time for water-soluble compounds to be extracted from all ingredients without overcooking and degrading valuable nutrients. During this time, you'll notice the water changing to a rich, deep color as anthocyanins from the plums, carotenoids from the apricots, and other beneficial pigmented compounds are released into the liquid. Next, straining and storage guidelines. After the 10-minute cooking period, remove the pot from heat and allow the mixture to cool for 5 to 10 minutes before straining through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. This brief cooling period continues the extraction process through residual heat while protecting temperature-sensitive compounds. Gently press the fruit matter to extract additional liquid without aggressive squeezing that might release bitter compounds from seeds or peels, yielding approximately 800 to 900 milliliters of concentrated liquid from the original liter of water. Store the prepared liquid in a glass container in the refrigerator, as research shows that antioxidant activity can begin to decline within 24 to 48 hours of preparation. Glass storage is preferable to plastic containers to avoid potential chemical interactions that could affect the beneficial compounds. The mixture should be consumed within 3 days for optimal nutritional benefits.
Next, consumption guidelines and timing. Consume 1 glass containing approximately 200 to 250 milliliters of the prepared mixture on an empty stomach each morning, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast. The empty stomach allows for better absorption of nutrients without competition from other foods, while morning consumption aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythms, when digestive enzymes are most active. Continue this daily routine for 1 week, allowing your body to benefit from the concentrated nutrients while avoiding excessive intake that might cause digestive sensitivity. Next, understanding realistic expectations and safety considerations. It's important to address unrealistic expectations directly. No single food or recipe can cure all diseases or completely cleanse your liver overnight. Your liver is incredibly efficient at detoxifying itself when it's healthy. What natural ingredients can do is provide nutritional support for these existing processes. The suggested serving of 1 glass daily for a week represents a reasonable approach that allows you to benefit from the nutrients without excessive intake. However, individual responses can vary significantly. Some people may be sensitive to certain ingredients. Those with diabetes should be aware of the natural sugars in this mixture. People taking blood-thinning medications should consult their doctor about regular ginger consumption. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have medical conditions, discuss this with your healthcare provider before trying any new dietary regimen. While this natural recipe may provide beneficial nutrients, liver health depends on much more than a single drink. Research consistently shows that the most effective ways to support liver health include maintaining a healthy weight, limiting alcohol consumption, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The psychological benefit of taking positive action for your health shouldn't be underestimated. When you consciously choose to nourish your body with natural, nutrient-rich ingredients, you're reinforcing healthy habits and developing greater awareness of your well-being. The 7-ingredient recipe we've explored today represents the intersection of traditional wisdom and modern nutritional science. While we can't make miraculous health claims, we can appreciate the documented benefits of these natural ingredients and their potential to support our overall well-being. Remember, the most powerful health strategy is consistency in small positive choices over time. Whether it's drinking this nutrient-rich blend, eating more fruits and vegetables, getting adequate sleep, or managing stress effectively, every positive step contributes to your health journey.
Your health is unique to you, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always listen to your body, work with qualified healthcare professionals, and remember that sustainable health comes from a holistic approach, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and professional medical care when needed. If this video was helpful, kindly type yes in the comment. That motivates us to produce more content like this. If you found value in this science-based approach to natural health, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health content. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better understanding of natural health and wellness.